You know, today is always an emotional day, so I apologize if sometimes I get teary-eyed. But moms are secret superheroes because holding down the fort is no easy work. But even superheroes need a break. And the ladies at the Moms Resource Oasis Center know how to treat the special ladies in our lives. Managing Director Trishan Evans and massage therapist Kimika Lawson are here. And if you notice, Debbie isn't beside me. Debbie is relaxing. Ladies, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Why is it important for our moms to take time for themselves?
Okay, it's very important because mommy struggle is real. We go through a lot trying to balance work and family, and as such, pouring into ourselves so that we can give 100% to others is absolutely important.
But it doesn't seem possible for me for a mom to get away because my own mom, she had to leave to get away from me and my sisters. But on a day like Sunday, when it's Mother's Day, my mom used to always get up sometimes and still cook. Why is it important for the moms now to take time out for themselves?
Okay, one of the things we realize is that mommies need support, and our families, the spouses, the kids, friends, they need to help mommy to recognize that sometimes she doesn't have to bear it all. And that's where Moms Rock comes into the picture, because now we're creating that space, that community, that space of support and resources so that mommy can say, okay, fine, yes, I understand, I can't do everything when it's presents for her, because instinctively she wants to do everything. She wants to be the super mom. She wants to make sure that everything is okay. But at times she really does need to step back, press pause, and come to Moms Rock.
Kimika, why a massage? What does a massage do for the stressed body of a mother?
Well, what a massage does is...
You can start, All
right.
Because I know Debbie's waiting.
I'm ready. Trigger points, relieves tension, relieves aches, and as such...
Could you come this side so the camera can see you?
Sure.
They can see what you're doing because... Yeah.
I'm using oil, massage oil made with tea tree and lavender. And lavender is calming, it's soothing, and it will create a relaxing feel. I hope you don't go to sleep after. I hope so.
She probably will. Patricia, tell me more about Moms ROC. It's Moms
Yes,
Rock.
it's Moms Rock for short.
Okay.
Right, that's easier to remember. So at Moms Rock, what we are is a rejuvenation and empowerment oasis that supports wellness of women on the motherhood journey. And as such, what we have created now are quick and easy rejuvenation options that mommies can capitalize on, because yes, we understand they're busy, on the go, and so we have mini massages that they can get at Moms Rock. We have sleep therapy. We also have individual consultations that are provided to help to support moms in other areas, especially when it comes to managing her time, managing money and the finances for the family and stuff. So we provide resources and support in that area.
Okay, so this isn't just the physical well-being, it's the overall well-being.
It's a holistic, yes, the approach to...
How did this idea come about?
Well, based on my own experience as a mother, I have a 12 and 9-year-old, and also watching my mom over the years, she stopped working very early when I was a baby, and she didn't go back to work, and she really poured everything into us. And I think in honoring that, her spirit, I no longer have her, unfortunately. I lost my mom last February. So Mother's Day for me is an emotional time, but I recognize that moms give of themselves 150%. And what I really want to do is to encourage moms that in the process of giving, to others, let us just take the opportunity, which is what Moms Rock provides, to step back, press pause, rejuvenate using the options that we have, because we even in the process of providing the mini massages, we have the sleep therapy. Sleep is very, very important. A lot of moms run on empty. We keep going, and what you find is that in the process, sometimes it negatively impacts the kids because they don't feel as if we're present for them, and sometimes we're offloading. You go to work, you have so many things juggling, and they don't get all of us. So it is really, really critical that we stop, take that opportunity, which is now why Moms Rock is here. It's the oasis that moms have been waiting for.
You speak about Moms Rock. Where can the interested people find you, and what time are you open?
All right, so Moms Rock is located at Unit 5, 14 Lady Musgrave Road. So that's right between Spartan and Cancer Society along that stretch. And we're open anywhere between 10 and 6. We go primarily by appointments. So we have privacy lounges where mommies can book their time and customize their Moms Rock experience. And also our social handles, we have a Facebook page, we have Instagram, and you can find us using the social handle Moms Rock JA, MOMSROCJA.
Debbie's just having a fantastic time.
Yes,
Almost
and this is
falling
just one of the spaces that we have a recliner in. This is very, very good for reading. We have another recliner that has massage element to it. And we have a lounger, so if you really want to come and just grab a quick nap, if you're at work, stressful day, take a break, come to Moms Rock.
So will you be open on Mother's Day?
Absolutely. We have gift certificates available. Persons are still able to make purchases, and we have made it very, very affordable for persons because the price starting point of our services is from $2.5 up. So they can actually call us 876-462-4750 or 876-863-1148.
Yeah, I think Debbie's enjoying this. I think this is the best
Yes.
Smile Jamaica for her.
And we have added stress busters too. So
Really?
apart from the massage, you know, if mommy wants to come do adult coloring while she's there, she wants to do, you know, we have a mini library. If mommy wants to have a good read, that opportunity is there. And we have our eye mask. She can go off to sleep. That's the experience that we create at Moms Rock. Here it is.
And Debbie has.
And we have earplugs, so no worries about probably somebody snoring next door to you. It's all covered.
Okay, so this place is just for moms because if dads are interested.
Well, what we encourage, okay, so it's for all women pretty much because at some point you may be on that motherhood journey, we don't know, right? So we're not saying it's limited to mothers, but we have a special place in our heart for moms, given my own experience, you know, and understanding that kids don't come with a manual. So you really have to be on the go, learning as you go along. And so that's why we really have that special love for moms at Moms Rock. But we do encourage dads, the spouses, the kids. Yeah, man, come on by, check out the space and realize that it's a great place for your mommy to come.
Indeed, awesome, awesome stuff. Debbie, we'll
I
continue
can't
to
hear
enjoy.
you, I'm sorry, I'm relaxing.
She'll continue to enjoy her foot massage. From the Moms Resource Oasis Center, Moms Rock, Managing Director Trishan Evans, and Assistant and Massage Therapist Kimika Lawson. More on Weekend Smile after this.